Hello guys, dito po ngayon sa head office at kasama po natin ngayon si Sir CEO. At ito po, magkakaroon po, it's an honor po na makakausap po natin siya para itanong po yung mga importanteng pag-uusapan po. So, let's start po.
Hello, good afternoon sa inyong lahat at sa mga nasa ibang bansa, good morning and good evening po sa inyong lahat.
Okay po. Sir, I am preparing po 10 questions for request po ito ng mga especially dun sa mga potential investor from international country on different country po, especially dun sa mga OFW na gusto na pong umuwi dito sa Pilipinas. At malaking tulong po itong Signals platform community po. So, ang first question ko po sir is, can you give me short personal background at ano po ang mga achievement niyo sir before bago niyo pong sinimulan itong Signals platform company?
Okay, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Magandang gabi sa mga nasa ibang bansa. First and foremost, gusto ko i-introduce yung sarili ko. I'm Paul Aquino. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Signals.org. So what we are doing right now is innovation. Siyempre, we want to teach people how to have another income, of course, in terms of crypto trading platform. Okay? So, siyempre, ako, kagaya nga po ng tanong nyo, ano ba ako bago tong business venture nito? I'm just a simple, humble person po, no? Empleyado rin po ako, kagaya po ng iba, okay? Well, yung family ko is kahit papano naman well off dahil kahit papano yung father and mother ko, naghirap din na paghirapan yung kanilang mga businesses, syempre, yung trabaho nila. But of course, I want to prove something for myself, syempre. So, I'm in the corporate and sales industry for over 15 years. I've tried modeling and acting. Siyempre, nung times na estudyante pa ako para magkaroon ng extra income. And siyempre, my dream is to become a basketball player. But of course, siyempre, hindi naman siya para sa lahat. So, siyempre, out of all the failures, o sabihin na natin, lessons that I have in my life, siyempre, kung hindi ako para doon, maybe God planned something for me and maybe is to lead people to help them have a change in their life. To help people have this system na para kahit papaano magkaroon ng konting agaan sa buhay nila in terms of having this business. Ano ba tong business namin? So, Signals is an education trading platform. Okay? So, kagaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, it's to teach and para ipa-share or ipa-adapt sa inyo kung ano ba tong opportunity na to. So, as I've done my research kasi, European and Western countries are doing it. They are investing on it. And syempre, papahuli pa ba tayo? Kaya hindi tayo nag-grow. It's because we are staying in this comfort zone na tinatawag natin, no? Na we are satisfied na we are doing traditional way of business. Okay na, parang we are always trying to play safe. And syempre growth is wala dun sa pagpe-play safe eh. Hindi po ba? So if you notice na lahat ng animals na into the wild, hindi ba? That's the perfect example that I can give you. So, lahat, di ba, ng creatures na nasa wild are in great risk. They are living on a greater risk na talagang yung buhay nila is nakataya. Hindi ba? And they are the ones who tend to grow large. Hindi ba? Kasi lahat ng kakainin nila doon and the way kung paano sila nabubuhay doon is talagang binubuwis nila yung buong life nila, yung buong entity nila just to live. Rather than to those animals na talagang safe lang, araw-araw may kinakain, at sure sila na mabubuhay sila na mas matagal. And ano yung mga animals na yun? It's our pets, like goldfish, dogs, cats, hindi ba? So, kung mapapansin nyo, malaki ba sila? I don't think so. Their pet size, maliliit lang sila. It's because of hindi sila wala sila dun sa tinatawag na natin na greater risk. So yung growth and yung development and yung pag-evolve nila is hanggang dun lang. kung i-compare mo kasi sa buhay ng tao, if you're trying to play safe most of the time, sa tingin nyo, ano rin yung magiging results ng mga bagay na yan? Hindi ba? It's the same with other creatures. Hanggang dun lang tayo. We are boxed into our potentials. Syempre yung potentials natin is tayo yung nakakaalam. It's the way kung ano yung mga decisions na gagawin natin in life. Ako, I'm the mere example, hindi ba? As a human being, hindi ba? I can be an employee and I've been an employee for over 15 years. Is there a growth on my part in those 15 years? Wala. Hindi ba? Naranasan ko na eh. But of course, isipin mo, dito, 9 months pa lang tong business ko. Hindi ba? I'm the first one who believes it. But of course, syempre, nasa akin yung highest risk na pwedeng tamaan sa ano na to, sa venture na to. It's because of I'm the one who builds it. I'm the one who sacrifice a lot in it. And I'm the one who first believes in it. And wala akong assurance to anything na kung ano man yung pwedeng maging outcome ng gagawin ko. But look at me now. 9 months later since I started this at way back in November, hindi ba? Over that 15 years and over that 9 months, hindi ba? 15 years over 9 months. Helping other people, 8,000 community and counting, partnership with OKX, that's number 7 online betting platform worldwide, and 16 branches all over the Philippines. Kung mapapansin nyo dito, on point and on time yung payouts lahat ng members. That's nearly important. Walang sablay. And syempre, kumbaga sa totoo lang, kahit di na ako magsalita, my members will speak for itself. And syempre, kumbaga ano ba yung meron sa company? Bakit nakakatulong? Ano ba yung pinaka main thing na ginagawa namin dito? It's because of we are giving opportunities. Syempre, para sa mga walang time, sa mga gusto matuto, sa mga employees natin na syempre lumalaban sa buhay at walang time, pero kami na yung gagawa syempre ng pagtitrade sa inyo. We want to show you how reliable we are in terms of paano ba kami mag-trade. Hindi ba? We cannot teach if we cannot preach. Yun nga yung sabi nila, di ba? So we are showing the people na kaya naming mag-trade. Sabihin natin hindi maganda ang trades, sabihin natin hindi araw-araw panalo or araw-araw Pasko, yes. But we are doing right now is kami na yung nag-shoulder ng mga losses. Alam naman natin yon, and that's why humihingi kami ng 30 days lang, of course, as part of our primary and basic plan, of course, syempre to give us an ample time para makapag-generate ng funds para sa inyo at para sa kumpanya. Hindi ba? And I think that's fair. So what we are giving right now sa mga members namin is very sustainable and syempre realistic, okay? Take note of this, realistic percentage na pwede namin ibigay sa tao. Okay? We are giving 1% gain and growth per day, okay? Per day for a 30-day period. Not just that, on your 30th day, syempre, binibigay na rin namin agad sa inyo yung mga funds ninyo, yung capital ninyo. It's for the reason that we don't want any worries, okay? We don't want any worries coming from our members na syempre mag-iisip kayo na, naku, paano kaya yung funds ko, hindi kaya mawala yun, mas scam yun, hindi ba? We don't want that kind of worries. And syempre, paano namin mapuprove yun? Gusto namin i-prove sa inyo na we don't want to hold your funds for a long time. Gusto namin makuha niyo yun agad-agad. Okay, take note of that. And syempre, not just that, we want to help you change, okay, sa mga buhay ninyo in terms of financial stability. So, paano namin gagawin yun? So, makikita nyo, in that 30-day period, nagkakaroon tayo ng 2 payouts. Okay? So, every 15 days, binibigay na namin agad sa inyo yung income ninyo dun sa trade. Okay? So, for the first 15 days, you will receive your first payout, the first 15%. Then on your second payout, we are giving your second payout, which is the other 15% and your capital as well. Hindi po ba? Two payout cycles, nare-receive ng mga members on your 30th day, your capital agad. We are more on giving people and gusto ko maramdaman ninyo yung health. Hindi po ba? So gusto ko ganun kayo ma-influence ng signals kung paano kami mag-innovate. Take note, kung meron pa po kayong mga dapat itanong, syempre, kung meron kayong mga worries, andito lagi kami. Our admin is 24/7 available. Kung meron kayong talagang mas gustong itanong sa amin about leadership, kung paano namin binuild yung company, you can go here on my office or Sate's office. You can go here freely. So, I think grabe naman yung sagot ko para dun sa first
Opo.
question
So,
na masyado akong na-overwhelmed.
Yes
Sobrang
po.
excited
Actually,
kasi ako.
sir, nasagot niyo na po yung second to fourth. So, sa fifth question na po tayo.
Okay,
So, ano naman po, sir, yung binibigay yung assurance para sa mga investors po natin, especially dun po sa mga malalaki yung investment nila dito sa Signals Platform Community?
Ayun. That's a very good question. Sige. Actually, we are giving post-dated checks and contracts, of course. So, yung post-dated checks, just to be clear, nagbibigay kami nun pag 300,000 and up yung ipapatrade nila sa amin. It's because of, syempre, nowadays, sobrang hirap nang kumuha ng mga post-dated checks, syempre. So, gusto naman namin kahit papano yung bigyan namin ng value, yung pagbibigay ng post-dated checks para ma-appreciate ng tao kung gaano ba kahalaga yung pagbibigay nun. Kasi sabihin natin na sa mga maliliit na amount, kung ibibigay natin agad yung mga checks, parang hindi nila ma-value yun eh. So sabi nga nila, para mag-value ng isang bagay, kailangan medyo taasan mo talaga yung value. So I think that's the standard of the company right now. Nandun na tayo sa ganung point kasi. Dahil the results proven itself naman siguro. I think it's fair. Hindi po ba? So, and next question.
Next question, sir. Okay po. Complete po ba tayo, sir, ng mga legalities documents like DTI and SEC registered? At mayroon po ba tayo, sir, secondary license sa SEC?
That's a good question. Okay, meron tayong DTI. Okay, meron tayong SEC. Okay, so we have SEC 1. It's because of mandatory. Hindi ba? We don't have SEC 2. It's because of hindi naman tayo lending companies, bank, or traditional co-op companies. Hindi rin tayo lending company. Just take note, hindi rin po tayo networking ha. Hindi po, wala pong power dito, okay? Just take note. So ulitin ko po, we are an educational trading platform. Hindi po ba? Which po, nakapokus tayo in the cryptocurrency platform, okay? Crypto trading platform. So, syempre po, all our assets is traded through virtually. Kaya po, instead po na second license ang meron tayo sa SEC, ang meron po tayo, and yung right license for us, it's the virtual asset service provider, which is catered by the Bangko Sentral of the Pilipinas. So, yun po. So, meron tayong SEC, meron tayong BASP. So, ulitin ko po, our assets is being traded through virtually, which is in the crypto trading platform. Hindi po ba? What is cryptocurrency po ba? So, cryptocurrency is as good as digital money po yan. Okay? So, decentralized po yan. Hindi po yan makokontrol ng kahit sino. Hindi po yan control ng government. Hindi rin po yan control ng banks. It's as good as your private wallet. So, ano po yan? Private digital wallet po ang matatawag natin dyan. Take note, GCash, Paymaya, hindi po yan private wallet Kasi centralized po yan. Nakokontrol po yan ng government natin. Nakokontrol din po yan ng mga banking systems. Okay? So, that's the difference. Well, crypto wallets po, or cryptocurrency is a peer-to-peer caching system po yan, no? So, kagaya po, fiat currency, just to explain it, yun yung meron tayo ngayon. Yun yung ginagamit natin na currency right now. So, for example, that's the US dollars, the Philippine pesos, hindi po ba? That's the currency that we are using right now. Well, cryptocurrency is, I think, 5 to 7 years from now, andun na yung value, dun tayo papunta. Dun patungo yung future natin. So, kung mapapansin nyo, Elon Musk, Donald Trump, Jeff Bezos, they are investing on it kasi doon na papunta yung mundo natin. Okay? We are trying to innovate things. And syempre, ako, on our part here in Signals, ayokong pahuli tayo. And nakikita ko kasi, walang gumagawa nun. That's why we try to share the opportunity and we want to try to innovate the opportunity na kung ano man yung meron sa ibang bansa as early as of right now. Kasi, wag naman sana, pero when the time comes na naman na magkaroon na naman ng another pandemic at nag-close na naman lahat, anong gagamitin nating pang-exchange? Asa kayo sa GCash or sa Paymaya or hindi ba? So, hindi yan basta-basta makakapag-send kahit saan, lalo na sa ibang bansa. Hindi ba? Well, cryptocurrency, you have crypto wallet, Uniswap, hindi ba? As your private wallet, kung mapapansin nyo, kahit saan sa ibang bansa, makakapag-send kayo agad-agad. So, yun yung innovation na gusto natin gawin. And syempre, yung ginagawa natin, nagtitrade tayo into the crypto trading platform. So, it's as good as parang stock market lang din. But of course, dito mas madali. So, syempre, we are assessing the futures market. Syempre, kung ano yung maging mataas na value ng bawat currency dito sa crypto. So, I think I'm over-explaining things.
Yes,
I'm very excited. So,
yes, sir.
let's move
Okay
on
po.
to another question.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So, my next question po, sir, is totoo po ba, sir, na may protection po tayo sa CIDG?
Okay, from our local governments, no. So, of course, sa lahat naman, NBI, CIDG, and everything. Ako, sa tingin mo, una sa lahat, here's the perfect analogy for it, no? Sir, madam, ladies and gentlemen, kahit po sari-sari store lang dito sa Pilipinas, 7-Eleven, kahit na anong business yan, nasa Pilipinas po tayo. Hindi po ba? Alam na po lahat ng Pilipino ang sistema dito sa Pilipinas. Hindi po tayo bobo, hindi po tayo tama. Hindi po ba? So, syempre, kapag hindi tayo nakisama sa pamamahala na meron ang Pilipinas, kahit po gaano kalinis ang ginagawa natin, pag nakita po tayong umaasenso, umaangat, kumikita, ano pong gagawin ng gobyerno natin? Hahanapan po tayo ng butas. At dun sa butas na yun, yun yung gagamitin nila sa atin para magbigay tayo ng kahit papano pampadulas para hindi po tayo isara. Hindi po ba? So, syempre, ano pong gagawin natin? Bago po natin binubuksan yung mga businesses natin, of course, we want to make sure na safe tayo. At syempre, may mga kakausapin tayong mga tao from our local government na pwede ba to? Pwede ba to? Pwede ba to? Pwede ba to? We ask for their permissions, syempre, para maging safe. Hindi ba? Hindi naman tayo magtatayo ng business na alam natin mapapahamak lang din naman tayo, na magsasara lang din naman tayo. And lahat naman po siguro ng business alam ito. Lahat yan merong legal counsel na pwedeng mag-advise sa kanila sa mga bagay-bagay. At mga successful business owners din syempre na mag-a-advise sila. And syempre share their networks para mas maging matibay yung business natin. So, ang masasabi ko na magiging sagot ko dyan 4 over 9 months and counting. Bakit? Wala tayong kahit ni isang bad news o although meron at meron, but hindi yan galing sa mismong local government natin, galing yan sa mga bashers . So So, yun lang. Yun yung masasagot ko about that. We build our business, syempre, bago to magsimula through our networks. So, yun.
Okay, sir. So, thank you so much po on that. Ano po. My next question, sir, is magkakaroon po ba tayo, sir, ng training session sa community, especially dun po sa mga gustong matutong mag-trade?
Oo naman, syempre. Nakita nyo naman, from our office, meron na tayong trading academy. So, we build that trading academy, syempre, para dun sa mga tao na gusto talagang matuto mag-trade. So, hindi lang doon, hindi lang para sa mga gusto matuto mag-trade, para sa mga marunong na mag-trades at para sa mga gustong talagang maka-witness kung paano namin in-execute yung mga trades namin. Andyan yung trading academy namin. Andyan ang mga professional traders namin para ipakita sa inyo kung gaano kami ka-reliable, syempre, kung paano namin in-execute yung trades namin dito. And I'm very confident sa skills na pinapakita ng mga professional traders namin. We've proven it, tinest nyo na kami, and sabi nga ng partner ko, si Adrian Artiaga, we are very bona fide here to what we are doing right now. Because kung iisipin nyo naman as a company, di ba? Lahat ng tao o iba mga bashers natin, inaabangan tayo magkamali. Makikita nyo naman, consistency. Hindi ba? For over 9 months, na ibibigay namin yung mga payouts ng on point and on time, and napakahirap gawin yun. Hindi ba? So, dun pa lang, makikita nyo kung gano'n na kami ka-reliable when it comes to our advocacy. So, next question
Okay
po.
po. So, thank you so much on that, sir. So, last question na po tayo.
Apo.
Sir, bakit 1% lang po, sir, yung binibigay yung daily profit income sa mga investors po natin compare po dun sa ibang platform na malalaki po yung percentage daily profit na binibigay nila sa mga investors?
That's a good question, Sir Mike. Sir, napakasimple ng sagot po dyan. Kasi po, transparent po kami sa inyo. And yun po yung pinaka-realistic na numbers na pwede naming ibigay sa inyo. Napakalaking kalokohan po na alam po, sa lahat ng traders na nagtitrade dyan, kayo po ba mag-building a business, okay? So, kung businessman po kayo and at the same time nagtitrade po kayo, okay? Yes, sabihin na natin, 1% gain per day is malaking amount din yan eh. Totoo, malaking amount yan, okay? Pag pinagsama-sama mo, pag na-compound mo siya into 1 month, tama? And that will sum up into 30 days. Right, that's a big that's a big percentage. But of course, on the marketing side of things, when you're building a business, of course, bakit ka magbibigay ng lesser than 1%? Hindi ba? Is that marketable para ma-adapt ng people or ma-realize ng tao na may growth ba dito? 0, 0.5, 0.8, 0.2? How can we grow our funds or our money sa 0 or sa 0.2? Sa bangko na lang kami, hindi ba? Yun ang iisipin ng tao. So, here, syempre, on the business side of things, the very marketable percentage is 1. Hindi ba? You cannot give people lesser than 1. That's the lowest number that we can give. 1. Hindi ba? Hindi pwedeng 0. Kasi hindi ma-appreciate ng tao. Kahit sabihin mo may 0.6, 0.8, 0.2, 0.5 man yan, hindi ma-appreciate ng tao yan. Kasi may 0 eh. Hindi ba? So, the very realistic part is 1. In the marketing side of things, well, here in the trading side of things, syempre, 1% is very realistic and pwede naming masustain. Kaya naming, we can work on that. So, syempre, that's why we hired the best and professional traders here in the company is, syempre, to generate funds every day. So, we are trading every day naman. So, pag nakikita namin na hindi maganda yung trend ng trades for that day, malamang, syempre, hindi na kami magto-trade. We are wasting our time and our money, of course, and our efforts para mag-trade, hindi ba? Common sense lang. Alam mong hindi maganda yung trend, but tayo magto-trade. So, bawi tayo sa ibang araw. That's why, humingi kami sa inyo ng 30 days para magkaroon kami ng ample time para makapag-generate ng funds para sa inyo And syempre, para din sa kumpanya. And I think that's fair, hindi po ba? So sabihin natin na, kahit sabihin natin na maganda yung trend ng trades ng day na yon, losing trade pa rin, it's okay. Ganun sa buhay eh. On this day, we win. On the other day, we lose. That's part of life. Ang importante, we try and try until we succeed. Hindi po ba? So, that 30 days is a very long time, I think. And nakita nyo naman sa results namin, nakapagbigay kami ng income on point and on time, nakakapagtabi kami ng income para sa company, nakakapagtabi at nakakapag-generate kami ng mga pang-office expenses namin, and syempre nakakapagtabi pa kami ng buffer funds namin just in case every payout ng tao, sabihin natin 15 days, hindi man naging maganda yung trades ng 15 days na yun at payout na ng mga tao, meron kaming huhugutin kasi nakapagtabi kami ng mga reserve funds namin sa mga dumaan na trades namin. So, ganun kami dito ka-honest and transparent sa Signals. In terms of transparency, gusto nyo kami makita mag-trade, gusto nyo makita yung mga trading history namin, manood kayo ng Zoom presentation namin every 8:30 p.m. which is catered by Mr. Adrian Artiaga, our Chief Operating Officer and our trader, no? So, kung mapapansin nyo, lahat ng tinuturo niya doon, the way he presents the trading platform na meron tayo, napaka-on point, napakagaling. So, sana po maka-attend kayo every night, every 8:30 p.m. So, sir, next
Alright,
question.
sir. Okay na po. So, yun sir, maraming salamat po for sharing the information and company background about the Signals opportunity. So, yun. Thank you po. God bless
Sige
you
po,
po.
sir.